Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to reuse this old cell phone holder. It's been sitting for maybe quite some time, maybe 4 or 5 years, because it broke off from this area, so we're no longer using it, but I didn't throw it. So I want to use it as a cell phone holder of this ring light, because the cell phone holder of this one is no longer available. I couldn't find it. So I want to use it by putting a metal brace at the back and then screw it in here. So that's the whole idea, so that if you want to use this, you can use it as on a panoramic or on an upright position. Just twist it like that. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to bore a screw hole in here. Okay, let's try to see if a screw could hold on. Okay, looks good. Next, I'm going to bore a hole on this area. Okay. If this connection is gonna be a bit weak, I will go for putting epoxy. If it would, if it would shake, I would add some epoxy just to make it stable and strong. Okay, I found some washer. I'm going to put it here. Hopefully it's gonna work. It's gonna hold up. It still needs some fixing, but that's the whole idea. And it's also a bit shaky. I'm going to put some epoxy in here. Okay, I decided to that I will just put some epoxy in here inside. By the way, this ring light cover was installed using a super glue, and I find it difficult removing it if I'm going to also use super glue. So I just decided to screw it and then unscrew it if I need to do something, just like this one now. Okay, I am going to put some epoxy there and in here so that the screw can hold on to something. I'm going to put epoxy there and underneath here this hole. I'm going to push it inside with my wet fingers. Okay, it has hardened. Sorry, the phone didn't record, but I just screwed them back together. That's all that I missed recording. Let's put them back together. Put this first. Then this one. Okay, that's tight. Okay, it's holding up. It's powering on. Okay, that's it. That's how our revived ring light is doing. Let's twist it. Okay. Okay, that's how it looks at the back side. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.